Good morning, class. This is Dr. Willis logging in and welcome you to Module 5. I hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend filled with family, fun, friends, food, whatever you did to celebrate this weekend. I really hope you had a really good time. But where we are now, we are in Module 5. And Module 5 is all about academic success, academic strategies regarding note taking and also test taking, two things that are critical to your success in education. The ability to listen, digest, and jot down efficient notes, and the ability to really be able to study, take in information, and do well on tests. So within the Learn Smart this week, you're going to discuss note taking and test taking strategies. So just while I'm there, you do have two Learn Smarts this week. There are two Learn Smart activities, one on note taking, one on test taking. So both of those are going to be due this week, Sunday at 11:59. So instead of having one like we've generally had in Module 3 and Module 4, there will be two Learn Smart assignments, both due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Now, I always say, be sure once you complete the activity, a grade should automatically appear in the Grade Center. If you indeed do complete the assignment and a grade doesn't show up, please contact me immediately, which most of you have done so far. If there has been any discrepancy, you've worked to contact me right away. So be sure you complete those things and make sure that a grade shows up. Now, this week, there's also a discussion board, like we've generally had every week. Now, the discussion board is going to kind of look forward to the Module 7 paper just a little bit. It's going to ask you your initial feelings about your motivations. What are your initial thoughts about your motivations? What generally gets you going? And it's also going to ask you, what are your general strategies to approaching writing assignments? Now, under this video, you're going to see just some tips to approach this particular discussion board. I'm going to give you some brief things you could write about or to think about as you're approaching this paper. Nothing lengthy, just a few quick tips. So those are the three assignments this week: two Learn Smart activities and the discussion board. For the discussion board, we know we have to have our initial post completed by Thursday at 11:59, and we have to respond to at least two peers by Sunday at 11:59. Excuse me. Now, I will say this. Some of your discussion board posts have become to get a little bit brief. So I want you to be clear that you have to really be thorough, detailed, and elaborate on each discussion board prompt. Always ask yourself, did I write enough? Okay. Ask yourself why. Why is this important? Why is this answer efficient? And go into detail regarding however you answered that question. And if you have any questions about that, please reach out to me right away. So that should be all for what I have today. I appreciate your work in Module 4. As always, those things will be graded by Wednesday. I'm normally on time with that. And that's really all I have for you. So have a great week. Reach out to me if you have questions. And that'll be all. Have a good day. Bye-bye.